Beam balance. A beam balance is a weighing instrument which helps in measuring the gravitational mass of an object that makes use of principle of moments. Principle. Correct mass of the body using the beam balance. M is equal to W plus R minus R0 into S, where W is the mass in the pan, R0 is a zero resting point, R is the resting point with the body counter poised with weight W, S is the sensibility of the balance. The sensibility S is the weight required to shift the resting point of the balance by one division. It is calculated from the equation S is equal to 0.01 divided by R0 minus R1, where R1 is the resting point with 10 milligrams in the right pan. Materials required: a beam balance, box of weights, a rectangular wooden block or pendulum bob. Procedure: to find the sensibility of the beam balance. The balance is released and the pointer is allowed to oscillate freely. 3 consecutive readings, 3 to left and 2 to right on the scale against which the pointer oscillates back and forth are taken. These readings are called turning points. The average turning point on the left and right are separately calculated. Mean of those averages gives the zero resting point R0. Now, open the door of the balance, place 10 mg in the right pan and shut the door so that air current should not disturb the oscillations. The resting point R1 is determined as before. The sensibility S of the apparatus can be calculated using the relation S is equal to 0.01 divided by R0 minus R1 grams per division. To find the gravitational mass of the given object. The object whose mass is to be determined is placed in the left pan. Place standard weights in the right pan from the weight box with the help of forceps. Raise the knob of the balance to view the position of the pointer. The pointer will rest near the pan having less weight. Add or remove the weight accordingly to get equal oscillations in both sides. The left and right turning points are noted and the resting point R is calculated as before. Add all the weight in the right pan to get the gravitational mass W of the body. The correct mass of the bob can be calculated using the relation M is equal to W plus R minus R0 into S. Applications: beam balances are used for precision mass measurements. They are used by goldsmiths, scientists and researchers.